What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to unbox the RGT's new crawler. Now let's unbox it. This is the RGT's new crawler. This is called the Crusher. Here, the stickers. Other parts. The transmitter is like just the former I think that's all. Wow, look at this truck. This is a semi-truck. Look at the body, the rise, and it's shining. Now this is the prototype is Dodge T234 truck. Now this is so the RGT companies remembers the World War II for the Dodge truck, so they made the Crusher. This is a 1/10 gears, and the Dodge T234 helps China a lot for the World War II. Now this is a totally new platform. The rear suspension, this is a horizontal suspension. By the way, this is the first horizontal suspension crawler for me. I know the G-Mate Bomb also use the horizontal suspension. I don't know where is the magnet. Oh, the magnet is here. And the tires, I think you can see it's so soft. It's softer than the former version. And the wheels are metals here. So beautiful truck. By the way, the truck is a little bit heavier. It's heavier than the former RGT. Here is the headlights. The low speed. By the way, the channel 3 and channel 4 is not used. I will show you the interior of the truck. The motor is 550 in the front, and the batteries are in the middle. So I think it's a performance crawlers. By the way, I felt the back tires wheel is not metals. Maybe metals. I will test it after a while. I think it's a beautiful truck. And it uses metal. Here you can see this is a metal universal shaft, and the formal core is nylon or plastic, whatever called. And the steering systems use the CVD and the nylon axles, solid. Next time I will test this color to a hill and test the crawling slope. I think if I put small batteries in front of small batteries here, and this truck maybe had a better performance. Oh, by the way, the suspensions are all metal. It's better than the former white version. Now, thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.